This is the 6th year that Texas Counterfeiters has hosted the Art and Color Party for Dwell with Dignity's The Studio, and we're so excited tonight to celebrate all of the donating artists who have donated their incredible work. So Dwell with Dignity truly believes that your home environment can affect your capacity to heal from trauma and really bring you so much more happiness and success if you have a beautiful environment to call home. And so we bring that to our families that we serve, and everything's custom designed for them. And all the proceeds of this art tonight will go directly to support that.